I bought a new sensor bar because my old one stopped working down here. You can see here there's two lights showing, and if you go onto settings, you go onto sensor bar, sensitivity, and you can see two dots. So I've plugged the bottom one in now. There's only one light showing. This light's not working. There's only one big light on the screen now. So what I'm going to do is take this apart and see if I can see anything wrong with it. Normally I think it might be the wire, because the wire is really thin. So it might be the wire. That's the issue. So I've taken 6 screws off from the bottom. Should just come apart now. So I think the issue is with this wire, so I'm going to check continuity from here to these points here. I think I know where the problem is. So the wire is fine. From here, if you can see here, the trace is completely just broken off. So there's no continuity between these 2 points. So it should be continuity from here to this point here. So I'm just going to put a jump wire between these two. See if I can get this working. This is all I need. Just completely destroy this wire, so I'm going to start again. Right, I made a right mess of that. Right, what I'm going to do is just plug it in, see if both lights show up. Yay! Both lights are working. So I'm just going to screw the back on. Let's test it out. Just show you my handiwork. It's a right mess. So just going to go into settings. Yep, 2 lights are showing now. Had many goes of fixing this. This is the main issue. This is a really cheap soldering iron. I need to invest in a new one. Anyway, but it's still fixed.